tremendously.
Now, Ian Wambui Kahiga has won his second gold medal in the ongoing Deaflympic Championships in Tokyo, clinching it in the 5,000 meters race with an impressive 13 minutes 52.83 seconds. His teammates James Mwanza Musembi and Nelson Rotich claimed silver and bronze respectively, while Viola Jelimo won bronze in the women's race.
I've been training. I started training from when I left Brazil, and I've never broken a world record before. This is my first time. I'm so excited and I'm motivated to keep doing what I do. I hope that this will be a door-opening moment for me to break even more world records. I was a bit scared, but this time around in the finals, I was fire. And of course, with Ian and James as my pace setters, they were able to help me. Even during training, particularly the three of us, we worked together. And yesterday, we trained together, knowing that today we are going to have the finals.
More than objective that we have been having for quite some time now, since 2017, was to break a world record. And today, in the 5,000 meters, we have gotten that objective. I must congratulate our athletes, especially Ian Wambui and James Musembi and Nelson Rotich for a very good run in the 5,000 meters.
Now, Manchester